Welcome to latest laws. The Delhi High Court has held that WhatsApp conversations cannot be admitted as evidence in legal proceedings unless accompanied by mandatory certificate as required by the Evidence Act of 1872. The court made such observations in a petition filed by Dell International Services challenging an order from the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. The commission had upheld the District Commission's decision to reject Dell's written statement due to its late submission. The court, while upholding the lower commission's ruling, emphasized on the inadmissibility of WhatsApp conversations as evidence in the absence of the mandated certificate. The court remarked that the WhatsApp screenshot could not be considered in the context of writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution. It was pointed out that there was no evidence that these conversations had been presented before the State Commission. In another news, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has ruled that the beneficial provisions of the Probation of Offenders Act have to be liberally construed to serve the underlying purpose of reformation and the societal benefit and to keep the first time and minor offenders away from the detrimental environment of jail. The bench ruled that the purpose of the Act and related sections 360 and 361 of the CRPC was to ensure that first time offenders were not incarcerated for minor offences and this could expose them to harmful influence of hardened and habitual criminals in jail, posing a grave risk to their outlook on life. Their stay in jail under such circumstances might lead to towards a life of crime rather than reform. This would cause more harm than good and could be detrimental to the larger interest of society as a whole. The rationale likely explained why Section 6 of the Probations Act included a mandatory injunction against imposing imprisonment sentences. The mandate aimed to prevent young delinquents from first time offenders from associating from coming in close contact with hardened criminals and their negative influence. As such, the beneficial provisions were required to be liberally construed.